What's up, good people? Yeah, I'm late today. It's already 9:38. Yeah, the stream usually starts at like 9:25, 9:20, but today I'm so late, so it's okay. Where's my chain? I'm late today. I'm late, but yeah, let's see how it goes today because I had a couple of things to do before the stream and I couldn't manage my time correctly. So yeah, I'm here. Shout out to 7 subscribers. 7 subscribers. Yay! Oh yeah, I didn't have my magic chain today because this is what makes me profitable. Ooh, right. This is what we're looking at. The 5 minute. There's an hourly law here. This line that you see here is an hourly law. ES took it. No, ES didn't take it, as you can see. But NQ took it. See? So ES might want to get rid of this. Oh, if it doesn't, then we have an SMT. Nice, beautiful SMT on the hourly. And we'll be going higher. And we'll be going to where this thing is. What do we have here? Yeah, that's a 15-minute FVG. Is it even a 15-minute? Oh, I marked it on the 5 minute. Yeah, I marked it on the 5 minute, and it's a 15-minute FVG as well. Bearish fair value gap. So if ES wants to take that, it might take it or not and create another SMT again. Another SMT down here because NQ has already taken it. If it doesn't take it, then we create another SMT and then we start going higher. I don't know, whatever, because when you're trading, it has to be a what if scenario. What if, if, or what, or whatever, whatever it is. But you know what I'm talking about. We're not gonna stick to a what you call it, to a bias. Yes, because if we stick to a bias, we'll be flabbergasted like what happened to me in the morning. See, I already lost 173 and I have like $727 to blow this account. Yeah, it's bad stuff, ain't it? Yeah, bad stuff. All right, so we've got this one here. If we can invest that, if we can invest that, great. To be targeting these highs. We'll be targeting. What's this line, bro? What's this line? All right, yeah. So we'll be targeting these highs if we are to invest this will be our break-even point. Blah 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 blah. All right, let's just watch and see how it goes. Trade sinker, trade sinker. Yes, has taken the high. What? I honestly don't understand what's happening here. Do we want to create another SMT here? ES isn't supposed to take the high, bro. You're not supposed to do that. It's already going for those highs that I've marked there. This and that. High is not what I was looking for. No, bro, no. That is not what I'm looking for, man. What's this massive line? Why is that long? Yeah, we've invested on the 1 minute, but we have to come back maybe somewhere here. Nah, we've taken it already, so yeah. Not our trade no more. Aw, man. Why did ES run like that? Messed everything up, bro. Bro. Look at what it's doing, man. No. This is not what I wanted to see. I can't enter now. I can't get in. ES has already taken all the highs that I was targeting. Look. Oh my days. Yeah, that one's been taken as well. That one's been taken. That one's been taken. Now let's buy 2 contracts here and see how it goes. It's not even gonna get me in. This is messed up, man. This is pretty messed up. If it has to come back from this, then it will be going lower. It will be going straight for my stop. But now look. God damn. Ah! That's right. It's probably gonna go for this level, this level that I had projected earlier. Yes, has reached it. Yes, has reached the level. Yes, messed everything up. It wasn't supposed to take out these eyes before, like what it did like that. It wasn't supposed to do that. And now it did, and it messed everything up. My whole setup has been nullified, bro. Alright, yeah. Should we go trade Forex then? Let's go trade Forex, folks. Let's go trade Forex. What's happening with Euro USD and GBP USD? Oh, SMT. These eyes. Taken. Not taken. Are we gonna go down? I don't know. Let's look at the time frame. Oh, it was a retracement. And what are we targeting? Potentially this imbalance here. Have we gotten into it yet? Is the balance? Have we got into it yet? Oh yeah, we have. So that's a tricky situation. Or we might want to target the consequent encroachment. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, let's go back to the weird futures. That was a good trade, to be fair. This one was a very, very good trade. But the problem is, we didn't invest this. Well, we did, but when we invested, we went and took these highs now. That is the problem, because we have to invest before taking these highs, because after we take these highs, we have to move our stops to break even. So if we invest, then take them at the same time, and then we come back, where is our break even point? We don't have a break even point at that whatever. So you have to make sure that you have the break even point, you have the whatever, what is it called? Yeah, it breaks above, it inverses without taking the high or the low, okay? And then that high or that low will be your break even point. So that is not what happened today. Could have entered before, but it'll be a gamble because I would have entered before the invasion happened. Okay, but yeah, sometimes the market doesn't present it the way you want it to be presented, so you just gotta do whatever it is. All right, let's get back. Look at this, guys. Ooh, this is some painful stuff right here. That's one good thing about being on live. This is why I am doing these live videos, because so that I don't get up. Because if I were to take this on this trade and it wasn't on a live stream, I would have taken it. I would have taken it way before the invasion. I would have taken the buy, because I would have seen that ES is now going back up. So yeah, I would have taken the buy. But anyway, it's cool. It's cool. Let's get back to business. Took this slow. But you know what? If I wasn't trading the inversion, I'll be trading the change in the state of delivery, because we took sell side here, yeah. We took sell side here, right? Sell side was taken here, and then after that, these down cross candles, look, and then it broke above. Let me delete this, yeah, and then it broke above these down cross candles, yeah. So that itself is a change in the state of delivery. Okay, we're going back out. That's market structure shift right there. This is where I would have entered, because this is like the classic 2022 mentorship, because we take sell side liquidity and then we displace down, we break a low here, or the 2022 mentorship would put it here, all right. We broke the low, broke the swing low. This would have been my entrance, but now the 2022 mentorship says that if you break, like, we'll be using this low here, right? We broke above and then we came back into this is where your entry would be, and then your whatever stop. Bro, look at what is happening, bro. Nah, I'm heartbroken. Okay, so yeah, this is, and then you enter here, right? You enter here on this fair value gap, and then your stop should be on the fair value gap, above the fair value gap. Uh, First candles low of the fair value gap, because it's 1, 2, 3. So this fair value gap, your stop will be here, okay? And then you target a nice 1 to 2. A nice 1 to 2 would probably take us to that fair value gap that is up there, okay? Yeah, see, brilliant. 2022 model. Brilliant 2022 model. Yeah, but I'm not doing the 2022 model. So, see, the take profit is gonna be hit now. All right. Where ES has gone way above that thing, and it's actually going for the highs. I kind of knew that the New York Open is gonna be, it's gonna be explosive like that, because London session wasn't that big of a deal today, to be fair. I think it wasn't. Yeah, it wasn't that explosive. It was just, it was going down. It was trendy, but it was not the cleanest price action. You see what I mean? So yeah. Ah, ah, excuse me. There's no one on the stream to say bless you. Oh, that's sad. What are we looking at, folks? You know, if you like zoom out into the higher time frames, you actually see that you haven't missed out much like that. But the problem is, I'm looking at these screens there, and they've got like the 1 minute time frame, and it's a massive screen, and they're all stretched out like that. And I see the moves going high. I feel like I've missed out on like days worth of price action. I haven't, you dumbass. Okay. Missed our trade already, folks. Wait. Am I not live? Oh, I am live. I am live. The live stream had not loaded on my page. On my page. No views. Nothing. Missed our trade already, folks. Wait. Am I not live? Oh, I am live. I am live. The live stream had not loaded on my page. My page. On my page. No views. Nothing. Missed our trade already, folks. Here's the price action, guys. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Alright, do you think we're gonna go back down? Maybe to these lows. That's too far. It's too far. And it's a tricky situation because we're in this massive fair value gap. We don't even know where we're going. We might be reacting off like the consequent encroachment. Where's the consequent encroachment? Consequent, 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 consequent encroachment. Ooh, that is pretty sleek, bruv. Look, this candle down here actually went and To the beat, bro, on the consequent encroachment. Yes, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. All right. We're gonna like invest this thingy because we took liquidity here. We took sell side here. Took sell side there. Came back and did this, and then we invest this fair value gap and then go back higher. But now we're investing way far. Nah, doesn't work. We're already taking that. What are you doing, bro? You've been left out. Yeah, good. Like, take a trade on this. Yeah, if it comes back to that, I'm buying. Let's even buy full micro contracts there. If it takes this before coming back, we are removing our order. But if it doesn't, alright, we've got a fair value gap there. Another one here. So you might not even come back down all the way down. Might just do that and go back up. If it does, would have missed out on the second trade. Look, you might be left again like that. Said stuff, bro. Come on. What is happening to me today? Like, what is happening? I don't even know what needs to be done. I think I need the Lord and Savior to help me. It didn't come back to that inversion. It didn't even come back to this inversion here. This is beautiful. We took out all this. We came back down here and took out this one here. And then from there we displaced, closed above, and then we haven't taken this high, which is our break-even point. We have this inversion here. Price has to just come back a little bit lower than that previous candle, and then ES has taken the high. Nah. Cancel order. What's wrong with you, man? Ugh. Yeah, ES is taking the high. So we might be experiencing some form of SMT divergence, folks. Okay. Yeah, that would have, yeah, that should have taken us in. Just should have tipped us in. That's how you're gonna go up. Yeah, it's gonna go out. God. some BS going on right here. So ES has taken this high. We're not supposed to take it. If we're going down, okay, so these are the scenarios. If we are going down, yeah. What's that? Why is this thing even on my favorites? Okay. Oh, that's some slick thing to show that we're going down. Okay. Nice. Nice. I like this. I like this. This is some sleek type of thing. It shows that we are going down. Oh, nice. Nice. I like that. All right. So, yeah. We should inverse because we've got a nice SMT. Stops right here. Break-even point right here. Nah, it doesn't look like we're doing that, folks. No, we're not. You know. So we actually respected it. Actually respected the inversion. Yeah, even ES is respecting it too, even though ES has taken the other high there. I'm sure. Yeah, because we had like an SMT here, this high, and this one here. Oh, it's a beautiful SMT. If we had closed below, then I would have taken a short. But it looks like we are respecting this inversion as well. Yeah, and you're respecting this bullish FVG on ES. And it's like we are respecting that purple zone. Have we invested that purple zone? Yes. So on the 5 minute we've invested that purple zone. So it's kind of like we're going up. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So ES is looking at those eyes. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Come on. All right. So now ES takes these highs. This is the next scenario. This is the next scenario. ES takes these. I have got too many lines on my charts, folks. I'm now confused. I don't even know what these lines are. Now the problem is I'm putting lines that extend all the way. I shouldn't be putting those lines. You dumbass. So yeah, I should be putting lines like these ones. Okay. So now ES has to take this high, this high right here. If it does take that high, then we have a beautiful SMT. Yeah. ES takes this high right here, which this high right here, which is this high right here. Okay, right. This high right here gets taken by ES, which is this one right here. It's a beautiful SMT because we would have failed, obviously failed, and then this will be a liquidity sweep on ES, and then on NQ we would be respecting this FVG here. And then boom, we go back down. ES will be going back down to target these hourly, these relative equal lows on the hourly time frame. Yeah, bro. That'll be a good one. All right. So let's see how it goes. What is happening with my service, guys? Ooh. The service is gone, and look what price is doing while I'm chilling here. Okay. What have we got here? So we have invested, guys. Now we sell.
Order filled.
No! That is a very tight stop. That's a very tight. Nah. Why did I put 3? No, that's a very tight. Nah, we're gonna be stopped out. Oh shit. Yeah, we're gonna be stopped out. Nah. I put too much size. Yeah, we're gonna be stopped out. If we don't get stopped out, it's just the grace of God. Otherwise, that stop is very tight. No, why did I? Ah. Yeah, we're gonna be stopped out, folks. We're gonna be stopped out. That is very tight. Yeah, that is very tight. That is very, very tight. I didn't mean to do that. Ain't no way I did that. Yeah, we get stopped out. We're done for the day. Because, yeah, that was a very, very deadly mistake. You know what, guys? You run the trade. I'm out. Make sure you don't lose, folks. Make sure you don't lose.
Order filled.
Oh, I knew it. Just coming back to that. Yeah, I knew it. That was very tight. That was very tight. Yeah. Yeah, my stop should have been somewhere here. Yeah, I think we're done for the day, folks. Yeah. Yeah. That was a very, very deadly mistake. So, yeah. Okay. You have a good one, folks. See you tomorrow.